Good day. So today I'm going to report about the overview of current trends. So first, what is trends? Um, trend is refers to something hip or popular at a certain point in time. It can be a particular style in fashion, devices, or entertainment. A new trend may always come along to replace the old one. So for example, nowadays the trends is TikTok app because most of the people uh, dance in the TikTok. So, technology trends tend to change as time goes by. Following Moore's law, technology is bound to upgrade itself every 2 years. In 1965, Gordon Moore predicted that the computing power would dramatically increase over time. But as it increases, cost is expected to proportionally go down. Nowadays, the 2 year prediction has even decreased, with releases happening less than 2 years, if not yearly. Aside from cost, the size of hardware have also decreased in making devices, such as smartphones, more useful and dependable. So now, the technology trends is um, all about gadget or the so-called cell phone or smartphone. Nowadays, more of teenager or the time is on the gadgets. So a few years ago, people would have a cellular phone, a digital camera, a portable music player, and a laptop with them. They would use their phones to text and make calls, the digital camera to take pictures, and the music player to listen to music while doing their work on their laptop. Now, smartphones are capable of doing the aforementioned activities, and a lot more through application or apps made available online. The term smartphone was coined as the cellular or mobile phone has now become smarter. It can run apps which help people perform their day-to-day activities. Apps turn mobile devices into miniature PCs capable of browsing the web, taking down notes, and playing games, among others. By default, smartphones come installed with basic apps such as making calls, sending text message, playing music, and managing schedule. As of 2017, Google Play has approximately 2.8 million apps available for Android users, where Apple's App Store is eliminated to have 2.2 million. These apps are not just limited to smartphones. They can be used in other mobile devices, including tablets and other recent trend wearable devices. So a few years ago, the trend is cellular phone, digital camera, portable music. But nowadays, in this generation, the trending is the smartphone or phone or mobile devices that can easily take picture. You can play music, write notes, and you can also play games, and also you can find the answer to web that. So in article from Forbes.com, Demers 2016 identified seven major trending in 2017. So this is the seven major trending in 2017. Number one is LAT and smart home technology. So the so-called Internet of Things or LAT has been trending since 2016. The vision of LAT has evolved due to the convergence of multiple technologies, including pervasive wireless communication, data analytics, machine learning, and use of hardware technologies such as sensor, microprocessor, and microcontrollers. Controlling home appliances through a mobile phone, such as switching the lights on and off, setting the timer for the washing machine, and controlling the television to record shows that might be missed due to traffic is now possible. So in 2017 or 2016, the trend is that you can control the things like lights, the washing machine. You can set a timer if you want to stop, and then the ways, your destination, you can also put it in your cell phone, or where are you going, and also appliances, the rice cooker and bread toaster, um, or oven. So next, number 2, augmented reality and virtual reality. In 2016, the release of games such as Pokemon Go and anticipated VR headset Oculus Rift serve a starting point for AR and VR technology. So also in 2016 and 2017, the Pokemon Go is the trending. Some teenager waste their time in Pokemon Go to find Pokemon. Number 3, machine learning, also called artificial intelligence. Having machines decide for you seems to be a daunting task and would probably make you think of robots and taking computers similar to Iron Man's Jarvis. However, with the recent release of Apple's iPhone X, it was not just the design that improved. The iOS Intelligent Personal Assistant, or Siri, has also been upgraded with enhanced learning, making this of iPhone more efficient. Its latest feature including following. So, Face ID. So the owner's face is the new password. It is a more secure way to unlock the phone and keep the data safe. So in your phone, there is a biometrics that you can use your face um, to become a password, so that no one can open your phone. Then, All Bionic. All Bionic is claimed to be the most powerful and smartest chip ever in a smartphone, with a neural engine capable of up to 600 billion operations per second. A neutral engine, a type of artificial intelligence, enable computers to learn from observation. Then wireless charging, a cable is not needed to charge the device. So you don't need to charge the device. The cable is also not um, needed. So iOS 11, it is the latest operation system. One can scan documents in the Notes apps, edit live photos, and in the US, even pay friends in message. Siri can also translate language. So in this iOS 11, you can scan documents or Notes apps. You can also edit video or photo, and also you can even message your friend, or also translate language like Korean, um, Chinese, if you don't understand. Then augmented reality. AR is not just designed for fun. It's also meant for productivity and efficiency. It allows one to navigate without looking at a map, visualize industrial equipment, and many others. For example, on the ways you can easily find the direction if you don't know the place. And then number 4, automation. Through advanced technology, it is now possible to automate previous human-exclusive tasks. This is very evident through wearable devices such as step counters and heart rate monitors used by health-conscious individuals. Information collected is automatically saved and stored in mobile devices for analyze later. So you can also save files in your mobile devices. For example, for for now, most students are saving the file to their cell phone if they don't understand or they cannot attend to their classes, so that they can analyze it later or learn about it. Number 5, big data. Big data is a term that describes large and complex volumes of data, but it's not how much data an organization has. It is what they do with it that matters. Big data can be analyzed for insight, which can help management make better decisions and come up with more effective strategic plans. Waze is an example of an app which uses big data. The app helps user determine traffic, direction, and route estimation, and notifies user with accident alert and road hazard, among others. So, nowadays, or in 2017, also the data is needed in the cell phone, because some apps are um, has a big data or big gigabyte that consume in your cell phone, and that is um, the cell phone begin to lag, so that um, they are making the cell phone to have big data, so that many apps can be installed. Then 6. Physical digital integrations. Majority of organizations nowadays are moving towards system automation. As such, they identify their physical elements and create digital data for more efficient operation and backup. The concept of having a paperless company in which transactions, reports, and services are done using automated system is one such example. Not only it is deemed reliable but also environment friendly. So, in cell phone you can also um, make your reports, or also you can avoid um, wasting of papers, for example your um, reports, you write it in a manila paper, but now you can also write it in your laptop and present it by a PowerPoint presentation. For example, now in our generation, um, we are not having a face-to-face, so that we use um, the cell phone in everyday life, because as a student we rely to cell phone. So mobile devices is big help in our part, because we can study because of gadgets. And then number 7, everything on demand. Due to the prevalence of network connectivity, it is possible to have information on demand. Music, movies, and even drivers Grab are made available through the apps in a smartphone. So, in 2016 and 2017, um, you can download music, um, movies by the use of network, downloading it. You can easily download if you have a good network connectivity, and also you can grab a um, taxi by using a cell phone, because it is available in the smartphone. So that is all my report about the overview of um, current trends. So that's all. I am Abigail Abayon de la Cruz, BSME 1B. And thank you for listening about my topic. Hope you enjoy and have a and I hope you learn something about this report. Thank you for watching. Bye.